ever look at your CRM and think, who the hell is clicking all my buttons but not filling out a freaking single form? Yeah, those aren't prospects. That's your email getting patted down by security. Email firewalls, the bodyguards of the inbox, love to click everything before your reader even opens the message. They're not interested, they're just inspecting, and it's beyond frustrating. So your amazing click rate probably just got an overzealous spam filter doing its job. But here's how to tell who's real and who's just a robot with trust issues. So first, look at the timing. If a click happens instantly after delivery, no one reads that fast. So that's a gateway scan. Second, look at behavior. Real people scroll, spend time on your page, maybe click another link. But bots, they pop in, pop out, and vanish like a speed round dating game. And third, check for real engagement, like a forum fill, a reply, video plays, longer sessions. Those are humans. And when you see few clicks in the same minute, then minutes or hours later, or more clicks, that's actually human engagement in the later part of the day. So clicks alone don't mean interest. They just mean your email passed inspection. So every week, we're sending out different types of marketing strategies that you can implement today, or even tips that you didn't know, like this whole button thing. But sign up for our newsletter. Just put your email address. You're going to get weekly tips. They're going to be very, very useful for your MSP, things that we implement on a consistent basis. And maybe I'll see you at Academy soon too.